Now, Valentine's Day is around the corner, and perhaps you are part of the group of people that decided not to go out and to invite someone over for a special dinner. And this is where the stress set in, because when you hang up that phone, you make the invite, you're, oh my God, you're calling friends, oh, do you have a recipe that works and stuff like, what about my glasses and my plates? And you'd be all around the place. And this is very stressful. Don't worry. You're not the first, you won't be the last. But this year at the French Cooking Academy, we decided to come with a helping hand by creating a new course. It is called the Chef's Plate, and this course is all about recreating a fine dining experience at home for two, okay, for any special occasion. So Valentine's Day is one, anniversary, date night, candlelight dinner, if you want to impress, for instance, just a friend of your husband or your wife, this course is going to help. It's a very simple concept, but quite unique. We're going to be covering all the necessary things to make sure you have a good setup and you create a good experience. So we're going to help you to set up the mood and set up the table. We got guides and ebooks that we've created for you to choose the right plates, the cutlery, the wine glasses. We're going to be talking about wine pairing at a very, very high level, and what kind of food goes with what wine. And then, of course, we're going to have a whole set of beautiful recipe, nicely tested, elegant, with this kind of chef touch to it. The food is also going to be plated. So picture, please. We have a selection of starters, okay, 2 starters. We've got some main with chicken, we've got fish, we've got seafood, we've got vegetarian option, as well as dessert. That is gonna help a lot when you want to have a special occasion, because, you know, creating an experience, it's a package. It's all about the mood, the music in the background, how the table looks like, but also how the food is brought to the table and how it tastes, of course. So as a small example, when it comes to plating, don't go thinking that we're gonna, you know, make super complex stuff. We are not. We're still making something a bit more than the usual, but plating goes a long way. Example, you're gonna be searing a piece of salmon, right? A few asparagus on the side, something like that. If I'm serving my salmon on this, okay, for date nights or Valentine's Day, something like this, a walnut plate from the cupboard has been sitting here for 50 years, it's bland, it's white, there's nothing special, nobody's gonna impress. You know, it's not gonna work. On the other hand, I'm taking the same salmon, but I'm taking the time to pick or buy a nice plate, okay, organic. And it's got this texture in here, the color is black, it's gonna contrast with the orange color of the salmon, maybe some green of the asparagus on top, and create some height with the help of our guide, the art of plating. You're gonna put this on the table, and boom, it's a winning dish. So all the things that you're gonna find in this course are all about these little tricks and things, and the recipes are delicious and all tasty. Now, of course, if you want for more information, link in the video description is going to bring you to our course page. It's going to tell you exactly what the course intakes, for who it is. Read the FAQs, because we've labeled that course as an intermediate level course. Everything is explained in there. If you've been stressing for your next special occasion, do not anymore, because the chef's plate has arrived.